Hello everyone, welcome to another session on cybersecurity brought to you by Edureka. As technology advances, so do the challenges in keeping our digital world secure. With cyber threats becoming more complex, businesses and individual faces increasing pressure to protect sensitive information. In today's session, we'll explore how AI is helping us to reshape the future of cybersecurity. But that's not it. Stay with us until the end because we'll dive into the dark side of AI, exploring how attackers use AI to craft such exploits and attacks. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our Edureka's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the latest tech content from Edureka. Also visit the Edureka's website for various training and certification courses. The link to the website is in the description box below. Let's start by understanding where we are right now. Cybercriminals are no longer just using basic malware or simple phishing scams. Today's threat landscape includes ransomware, DDoS attacks, and data breaching targeting everyone, from global enterprises to small businesses. Traditional defenses like firewalls and antivirus software still play a role, but they struggle to keep up with the pace of emerging threats. This is where AI steps in, offering speed, scalability, and precision. AI can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, detect anomalies, and even predict potential attacks before they occur. But there's another side where attackers are also leveraging AI to create smarter, more adaptive threats. As you can see, the cybersecurity world is evolving at an incredible pace. This is exactly where AI steps in to reshape the way we defend against threats. Let's explore how. AI is a game changer in cybersecurity for several reasons. First is scalability. Imagine a system that processes billions of data points in seconds. AI does just that, making it ideal for large networks. Then is the behavioral analytics. AI can flag unusual behavior, like a sudden change in login locations, and act instantly. Then predictive capabilities. By analyzing patterns, AI can spot vulnerabilities and help businesses fix them before they are exploited. Then is the automation. From responding to low-level alerts to applying patches, AI automates repetitive tasks, saving IT teams time. Last is reducing human error. Mistakes like clicking on phishing emails or forgetting updates are common. AI minimizes such risks by being immune to human flaws. But let's not forget that AI isn't perfect. It works best when paired with human oversight and expertise. Now that we know what makes AI so powerful, let's focus on one of its most exciting applications: real-time threat detection. Here's AI's standout capability. Real-time threat detection. Unlike traditional methods that rely on known malware signatures, AI uses behavioral analysis. For example, first is phishing detection. AI scans email content and flags suspicious links or attachments. Then is the intrusion detection. It monitors network traffic and spots anomalies like unusual spikes in data transfer. Last is the endpoint security. AI can isolate compromised devices before malware spreads across the network. This kind of proactive detection keeps organizations safer and faster in their response. Identifying threats is just the first step. What happens next is where AI truly shines, automating responses to minimize damage and improve security. Time is everything in cybersecurity. A delay in response can lead to massive losses. AI solves this by automating responses. It can isolate infected devices, automatically apply patches, and also encrypt sensitive data at the first sign of danger. These swift actions reduce damage and give IT teams more room to handle complex issues. While these advancements are exciting, we can't ignore the challenges and risks that come with relying on AI. Let's take a closer look. As promising as AI is, it comes with its challenges. Firstly, AI-powered attacks. Cybercriminals now use AI to create malware that evolves, making it harder to detect. Then, data dependency. AI models rely on quality data. Poor data can lead to false positives. Next, over-reliance on data. Humans still provide the intuition and strategy AI lacks. Last is the cost and expertise. For smaller businesses, AI solutions may seem expensive and hard to implement. While AI is powerful, it's not a silver bullet. A balanced approach combining AI with human intelligence is key. Speaking of risks, there's also a darker side to AI when it's weaponized by cybercriminals. Let me show you how this works. The same tools we use to defend can also be weaponized. For instance, deepfake attacks. Imagine an AI-generated video of your CEO instructing a fraudulent money transfer. Then, adaptive malware. Malware that changes its behavior to avoid detection. Last is the automated phishing. AI can create highly personalized phishing emails, fooling even the most cautious users. This makes staying ahead of attackers more challenging than ever. It's clear that AI can both defend and attack. So, how do we prepare for a future where AI is a key player on both sides? Let's discuss. The future is AI driven, and preparations is critical. So start with investing in AI tools. Organizations must adopt AI-powered security solutions. Then upskill IT teams. Continuous learning about AI trends ensures effective collaboration between humans and machines. Lastly, collaborate with better defense. Businesses, governments, and security experts must work together to establish best practices. By embracing AI responsibly, businesses can secure themselves against ever-evolving threats. So, what do we conclude from this? AI is transforming cybersecurity, boosting threat detection and response. While it brings its challenges, combining AI with human expertise, ensuring stronger defenses against evolving cyber threats. With this, we have come to an end to this video on cybersecurity in the age of AI. If you enjoyed listening to this video, please be kind enough to like it. You can comment on any doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Do look up for more videos and playlists and subscribe to Edureka's YouTube channel to learn more. Thank you and happy learning.